Hello
I
everyone.
have been away for a while. I was not able to make videos while focusing on my health, and this taught me a vital lesson because there are phases in life when your body, mind, and heart asks you to stop. And biggest lesson I learned is that stopping is not quitting. Rest is not laziness. Taking care of yourself is not weakness. And choosing silence for healing is not disappearing, rather, it's rebuilding. So, I'm going to share most important lesson that I have learned during this journey. Hope this will also be helpful to you. So, number one, you cannot build a great career on a broken foundation. Your mental health and your mental peace is your power, and you should protect it. Learn to say no without guilt. Avoid giving explanations. And once you taste peace, you will never negotiate with stress again. Give your time to yourself. And when others are thinking that you are inactive, you are actually evolving. And that growth lasts longer than any temporary success. Most important outcome is after you survive a difficult phase, you are no longer the same person. You become more wiser, calmer, and more selective. I just want to give this message that if you are facing a tough phase right now, you are not broken. You are becoming. Choose yourself is never selfish. You need to meet yourself before your career meets you. Thanks for watching.